Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add video backgrounds in Framer, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you're designing a website, landing page, or portfolio, this tutorial will help you make your project stand out with smooth and modern video effects. So, stick around till the end to learn every detail. First, open your Framer on your PC. Now click on the Insert option at the top. From here, select video you want to use as your background. Once the video is added, adjust the position and size to your preferences. Next is click the Fill option, and here you can overlay a color and adjust it to your want. And lastly, you can select an image to add on. And that's how you can easily add video backgrounds in Framer 2025 version. Now your designs can look more dynamic and professional than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Framer and design tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.